Welcome back to our Lean Revolution saga. Chapter 2: Wastes and How to Fight Them. Company Names and Logos. Proud people breed sad sorrows for themselves. Emily Bronte. Businesses frequently use their company name and logo in their management system documentation. Pride is an understandable notion, but one should consider the consequences. On more than one occasion, I've seen companies paying dearly for using their names and logos in procedures. One of the recent casualties I witnessed illustrates this point well. A large international business played chess, as they sometimes do, and reorganized its structure. The firm transferred the site that I worked with to another division. My client had a rather complex scope of activities, with some 1,500 documents. The new division instructed the site to update all their documents, to change the name, and reflect the new identity to show that it's part of the new division. The quality manager said that it took them more than a year with the help of a temp to update their system. No applause yet. 6 months later, and the site was victim to yet another restructuring. The solution is simple. If the business identified itself as the company or the organization in their procedures instead of its name, the business would not have wasted thousands of dollars on that monkey job. Once, a business owner single-mindedly told me that he did not care if company logos did not add value to his documents. "I want them. I am not selling my business or changing its name. When I retire," he continued, "I will not care about all those procedures." At the time, I was not in a position to comment on the owner's preference, but this was a rather impractical choice. He should have cared. After all, when he retires and sells his business, someone will pay for it. If the buyer is savvy and catches the mess in documentation, the owner would be liable. If the buyer misses the need for documentation update, the new owner will pay. Either way, we, society, will pay to deal with this waste. In short, the use of the company name in documents may impact the business. And often it's not a matter of if, but when. Having said that, let's remember that there are exclusions to this rule. There are documents where the business name is essential, such as the quality or business manual, when available to the interested parties and used as marketing material. Quality, environmental, or other policies for sharing with external entities. Documents used for more than one business entity, and other documents that require corporate identity, such as contracts, purchase orders, quotes, customer surveys, etc. To briefly recap this important lesson, avoid the use of the business name in your documents, as your company may change it. This concludes our company names and logos topic. If you can't wait for the following videos, or you would prefer to read the book at your own pace, click the links below to buy a paperback or ebook copy. Thank you for listening, and until next time.